everyone, welcome back to 5.0. Today we have a new camera. I did the unboxing. This is Sony Cinema Line FX30. So the first thing that I like about this camera is that it looks like it's a military kind of weapon. It's quite bulky, but at the same time it's not heavy at all. It's quite light, and also it has a good grip to it. So on the camera we can see that we have different buttons. So this is like zoom for the picture, 3 programmable buttons. There is also one joystick type of button over here, record button, and then we have 3 holes, 3 threaded holes for the screws or bolts that you can put on top of the camera, so you don't really have to have a camera cage for that. So now if we look at the back side of the camera, we have on and off button here. It's actually a slider. Then we have mode, menu button, wheelie. We have one wheelie here, one wheelie here. Also we have 2 programmable buttons. We also have one FN button and one playback button. One of the big bonuses that I like about this camera is that this has a flip screen that also can like go any direction that you need. So my old Sony a6500 camera sadly didn't have that over here, this possibility, and that's what I really missed about the camera. So I'm very happy that this camera has it. Also, if we look at one side, there is an open button here that when you slide, you can open the SD card slots. So you can actually put 2 SD cards over here. On this side, actually, there is also one more hole for any kind of expansion kit or whatever you want to put on the camera. So on the other side, there's also one more hole. So we got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes on top of the camera. And of course, one is in the bottom, as usually. And there's also like the battery. On the left side of the camera, we can see that here is a HDMI hole. And also we have some other ports over here, like microphone, headset, USB-C, and a multi-USB. And on the front side, there's also one extra record button. Makes it more convenient if your camera is somewhere in the position where this button on top, for example, is hard to reach. So of course, here we have Sony E-mount lens port, and also we have a tiny light over here. So yeah, this is about it. How it looks, how it feels, what's on top of it, and how it functions. Okay, now I'm gonna turn the camera on to see how the menu looks. To be honest, it's quite understandable. It's very easy to understand and navigate through the menu. Yeah, okay, well, so this is about the camera outside, how it looks like, and what functions it has built onto it. Now let's go through some technicals. Okay, so now we know everything about the camera. It's time to do the thing that we actually got the camera for. Slow motion of CNC milling. Let's go. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. This video was a little bit unordinary of our usual content, but nevertheless, we're always trying to interact with our audience, so follow up us on every social media account. Also check out our website. And yeah, basically, if we have a new gear upcoming in the future or something, I'm gonna always do some reviews, just for fun. Anyone who follows us also knows some other stuff about technology and stuff that we use in our day-to-day actives. And yeah, basically this is our new tool, and we're definitely gonna see more slow motions in our future videos. Anyways, thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed, see you on the next one. Ciao.